How to make money online for free, a step-by-step guide. Making money online has become an increasingly popular way for individuals to earn income in today's digital age. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or start a full-time online business, there are numerous opportunities available to make money without any upfront investment. In this tutorial-style article, we will explore the different ways to make money online for free, how to build an online presence and audience, monetization strategies and techniques, as well as provide tips for success and overcoming potential challenges. Introduction to making money online for free. A definition of making money online. Making money online refers to any method or activity that allows individuals to earn income through the internet. This can range from freelancing and selling products or services, to participating in online surveys or affiliate marketing. Benefits of making money online for free. 1. Flexibility. Working online allows you to set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. 2. Low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses that often require significant investments, many online opportunities can be started with little to no initial investment. 3. Unlimited earning potential. With the right strategies and dedication, there is no limit to how much you can earn online. 2. Different ways to make money online for free. Freelancing and gig economy platforms. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow individuals to offer their skills and services to clients around the world. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, these platforms provide a marketplace for you to find and complete projects for a fee. Online surveys and market research. Many companies are willing to pay individuals for their opinions and feedback. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie offer opportunities to earn money by taking online surveys or participating in market research studies. Affiliate marketing and advertising. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each successful referral or sale. Websites like Amazon Associates and Commission Junction provide affiliate programs that allow you to earn money through product recommendations and advertising. Creating and selling digital products. If you have a talent for creating digital products such as e-books, online courses, or graphic designs, platforms like Etsy, Teachable, and Gumroad enable you to sell your products online and earn passive income. Monetizing social media and content creation. If you have a strong online presence and a loyal following on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you can monetize your content through sponsored posts, brand collaborations, or by becoming a social media influencer. 3. Building an online presence and audience. Creating a website or blog. Starting a website or blog allows you to establish your online presence and showcase your expertise. Platforms like WordPress and Wix make it easy to create and customize your website without any coding knowledge. Utilizing social media platforms. Social media platforms provide a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with a wider audience. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience and consistently share valuable content to attract and maintain followers. Search engine optimization, SEO, techniques. Implementing SEO techniques such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building can help improve your website's visibility in search engine results, driving organic traffic and increasing your chances of earning money online. Content creation and marketing strategies. Creating high-quality, valuable content is essential for attracting and retaining an audience. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your niche and consistently deliver content through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates. Engaging with online communities and networks. Joining relevant online communities and participating in industry-related forums and social media groups can help you establish yourself as an expert in your field, build relationships with like-minded individuals, and attract potential customers or clients. Monetization strategies and techniques. Implementing online advertising networks. Signing up for advertising networks such as Google AdSense or Media.net can generate income by displaying targeted ads on your website or blog. The more traffic and clicks your site receives, the more money you can earn. Affiliate marketing and partnerships. By partnering with companies that offer affiliate programs, you can earn a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. Research and choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. C. Selling digital products or services. Utilize platforms like Etsy, Udemy, or your own website to sell digital products or services that showcase your expertise. This could include e-books, online courses, coaching or consulting services, or any other digital product that provides value to your audience. D. Offering online courses or consulting services. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, consider creating and selling online courses or offering consulting services. Platforms like Teachable and YouTube provide opportunities to share your expertise and earn money. E. Leveraging crowdfunding platforms. If you have a unique idea or project, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo can help you raise funds by allowing individuals to contribute to your project in exchange for rewards or early access. This can be a great way to generate income and test the market for your product or idea. Versus tips for success and potential challenges: consistency and persistence in building an online business. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Stay consistent in creating and promoting valuable content, engaging with your audience, and refining your strategies. Be researching and staying up to date with industry trends. The online space is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed about industry trends, platform changes, and new opportunities. Continuously educate yourself to stay ahead of the competition. C. Networking and collaborating with others in the online space. Networking with other online entrepreneurs and industry professionals can provide valuable insights, collaborations, and potential partnerships. Join online communities, attend webinars, or participate in virtual events to expand your network. D. Managing time and balancing multiple income streams. If you are pursuing multiple online income streams, it's important to manage your time effectively and prioritize tasks. Set goals, create a schedule, and stay organized to ensure you're maximizing your productivity and earnings. E. Dealing with scams and fraudulent opportunities. Unfortunately, the online space is also filled with scams and fraudulent opportunities. Be cautious and thoroughly research any opportunity before investing time or money. Trust your instincts, and if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Conclusion. Making money online for free is an achievable goal with the right strategies, dedication, and persistence. By exploring different avenues such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, and creating digital products, and by building an online presence and engaging with your audience, you can turn your passions and skills into a sustainable online income. Remember to stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt to industry changes to ensure long-term success in the digital world. Thanks for watching.